Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from AMatterOfCrime, and the title of the video is Cashier Busted Using Cash App to Scam $3,000 from Employer. Oh boy. Cash App, people on the Cash App wave nowadays, huh? Let's get to it, man.
On a sunny afternoon in Florida, officers were called to a local Dollar General, where a new employee was under investigation for a major fraud scheme. Here's how it worked. While working as a cashier, the employee would secretly load her own Cash App account with $200 to $300 at a time, marking the transactions as paid when no money had been received. But that wasn't all. She also stole cash directly from the register and let her friends leave the store with unpaid goods, scamming thousands from the store in just a few days.
Give her opportunity, she'll be a student. Excuse me.
Big back, big back, big back, big back.
So it was just her counting, her counting the money and then taking a little bit at a time, or?
It was like a multiple kind of.
Hey, how you doing, Jason?
Yeah, you doing?
I'm Frank from Loss Prevention.
Hey, Frank.
We have an employee. What she was doing was scanning her phone, her Cash App on her phone, and entering, close the door. Yeah. And entering funds. She also took a PlayStation gift card, loaded it, but she was never putting money in the register. So she loaded $775. And then she also, on this day, this is all the cash. And then on this day, she let this customer walk out with $300 worth of merchandise. That's her right there.
Damn. She here now? Or?
Yeah, she's right there.
She just walked in.
Okay. So everything's on here and everything's on video for you. Here you go. Mm-hmm. Might as well call her in. Come in. She's been cooperative. She wasn't. Yeah. She hasn't been. But Dollar General wants to prosecute. So.
Yeah. No problem. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I see it. All right.
So it'll be 300 because she on the sale. On this sale. You see where it says aborted? She canceled the sale. So $300 worth of merchandise just went out. Nothing was paid for.
Yeah,
Zero. And then these 1, 2, 3, and 4, she was never putting money in the register, but she was loading up her Cash App.
Mm-hmm. Okay, gotcha. Damn.
Want to get it, Nick?
Yeah.
Stupid.
I think they get. What happens is we end up with a cash shortage. So we end up with a cash shortage. Okay, what happened to the cash? It just doesn't walk. So we start going for it. And the first thing I tell them is look for gift cards. Look for gift cards. Look for Cash App. Sure enough, she had her phone down below the register, so she would pick it up, hit it, and then enter the number, whatever she wanted.
Gotcha.
But no money would ever go in the register.
Is that what she did on multiple transactions, and then the one time she let somebody walk out with the $300?
Right.
Okay.
Except everything was Cash App except this, which was the
one sale.
The Sony. That's a PlayStation gift card.
Okay, for $75.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
She wanted some money for her PlayStation.
Gotcha. She just straight up took that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So loaded it and then pretty much took it.
Don't make no sense, man. $3,000 total?
And on video, they go in order.
They want their bread. You might be able to get away one time, but when you start repeating, nah, they on to you. It's a wrap.
1520.
She's coming in, right?
Yeah, I hope so. She was right outside. I just saw her by the door. He went to go get her. I don't know where she went.
And then do you, okay, so these
She
are
lives
different
right around
dates.
the corner.
3/14, 3/3, and then 3/14, okay. And these were all on the same date, or?
No, this one was on 3/23.
Local 16 and 10 line.
So, want me to highlight the dates for you?
Yeah, that's the first time I've ever seen it like this.
I printed them out. That's why.
Gotcha.
Let me see. So the date on this one, right here. 3/13, 3/14, 3/14, and
I see that one,
3/14.
3/14. Gotcha.
And then this one was on
3/23.
3/23.
Okay, perfect. Okay.
Well, she's coming back, but I don't see her now. You see if she's there? Oh, she's right here.
Oh, man.
I'll move out of the way. Too many people, Nick. We gotta step out.
15 to 5-1.
We gotta step out.
5-1.
What's up, girl?
When you're done there,
What you done got yourself into? Huh? Well, you know, that's not my, not my call, you know? I mean, you own up to some things, you have a conversation with them, you know? That's totally up to them. That's totally up to them, not me at this point, all right? Now, let me just read you this very quick, all right? All right. Required to warn you before you make any statements that you're the following constitutions, right? If I ask you if you understand, just yes or no. I can clarify it, okay? You have the right to remain silent and answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Any statement must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. You have the right to presence and reputation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement during any questions. You understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence and reputation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any question. You understand?
Yes.
All right. If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you have the privilege to remain silent. You understand?
Yes.
Okay. If I can make no threats or promises that induce you to make a statement, this will be your own free will. You understand?
Yes.
Any statement can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand?
Yes.
All right.
That's the important one.
So what's going on? Well, they gave me a list of these transactions. All right.
Yeah, I told him I'd pay it back. I told him, but I admitted to some things. He said that he would talk to you about maybe if you can give me a court date or something.
What? I mean, did you need money or were you? What was going on?
I let the dude walk out with a lot of stuff, and then I did.
Yeah, you told me about that. I think it was like $300 something, right? Or something.
And then cash up.
Okay. What happened with the cash up? Can you walk me through that?
I did like $200.
200. And how many separate transactions you do?
What you mean?
Like did you? Because there's a couple different ones. There's a green dot. There's a spinwell.
Oh yeah, for spin, yeah, take my back. Spin was at 200.
Okay. And then you did the green dot. And then what's this?
What is that?
Valid direct. There's another transaction for like $200 on the 14.
Okay, that's on the cash up.
Cash App. And how does that work? Like with, I'm not familiar with Cash App app. So is it just an app you scan the card and it goes
It's
in?
an app.
Okay, and it just goes on your phone. So you would just load it with however much you want it, and then you just scan it and then go into your account. Okay. And then as far as the different times where you let the person walk out, did you know the person or how did that work out?
No, I don't know. I just see you as a friend, like just whenever you get parked and stuff.
Gotcha. So they just ring up a bunch of stuff, and then how does it work? They just walk out, or?
They just ring me some stuff up and walk out.
Okay, so
but the other one was trying to like, there was a boy that knew me, and he was getting some stuff, and I said no, and then he still.
Okay. All right. And that was on one occasion, right? Okay. Did you know at any point that what you were doing was wrong? I mean, did you think about it, or?
Yeah, that's why I put it. That's why I stopped it.
Gotcha. Well, this is your job, bro. I mean, it's how you make your money, you know. That Cash App scam, that's temporary, that 200. Then that's gonna obviously you're gonna hold it over your head that one day, damn, they might catch me. Ain't nothing like a steady paycheck when you getting your money the right way.
What do you think they're gonna do with that? I don't have my record or nothing.
Let me ask him. I think the other guy was the. Let me see.
She was cooperating. She wrote a statement as well.
Yeah, she gave me everything. She
Your uncle's out there too.
she admitted to everything.
What uncle?
Your uncle? I don't know. You said she was your uncle.
Yeah. So this is the way it works, all right? And it's totally in their hands, but they're wanting to file charges. Okay, because of the amount, all right, it would be considered grand theft. All right, and it's a felony, so you'd have to be taken in. So
204 Injuries Gateway in Congress, northbound lane.
you
36-year-old female, pregnant, wants to be checked out.
you would have to be obviously taken to the county jail and arraigned and stuff like that, only because of the amount. Okay.
White, no,
So
white,
at this point,
So I'll be tomorrow or go to court tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't really know how the bonds and stuff work. You know, sometimes you may get out on OR. Sometimes you might have to go see a judge the next day. I'm not sure. I mean, you don't really have a record. So, I mean, you may be able to just bond out today.
Tonight?
Yeah. So,
I hope so. I'm not trying to be in
She's never been.
And I
She's not has no prior, so it'll probably be withheld and just pay restitution and go to
my grandma said she'll pay it.
the program. So you'll be okay.
Now, how fair is that? Oh, my grandma said she'll pay it. Come on, man. You stealing and you want your grandma to back you up for stealing? Come on, man. Now, if you get in a tight squeeze or whatever and, you know, whatever, got to pay a bill or something, that's a lot different. But you want your grandma to back you stealing? Come on, man. Nah, man. Nah, you on your own.
Yeah, I just don't like the book.
yeah. So, all right.
Unfortunately, that's what my
got
boss
you.
said, so I can't go against him.
I got all your information. You got a card and everything.
No, I don't. I'll give it to you.
Just put
Yeah, I'll write it on.
But actually, put on a blank piece of paper.
Do I have to go down to the police station and take time?
Yeah, that's where we process and do everything at. Yeah.
Let me make a copy of this for you.
No problem.
And then I'll write that.
Okay.
You get to relax for a second.
I was trying to see which uncle out there. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not running.
Short one.
We'll do it on the way out. Yeah, we'll do it on the way out. Is he still out there?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll holler at him when we go out there. I got you.
I'll shoot it to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, so let me. All I know is you was wearing red Crocs.
No, black Crocs.
No, red.
Red.
Yeah.
I don't have.
Hey, you know what?
He was wearing red Crocs.
You know what? Yeah. I thought one of y'all was coming. I don't know. Need help? You right there? Okay. I know you had called me.
Oh, my phone.
I was hoping it was going to be you. So make this easy.
I was hoping it wasn't me. I didn't even know this call was here. Yes, sir. No problem. Let's see. We got everything else. We got the receipts in here.
That's your receipt. The one I gave you.
I don't think I got it. I think you had underlined everything. Oh, it's probably right here. There we go. Alright. Want me to handcuff you out there or?
Right there by the car.
Alright. I'm trying to take off now. I run fast as hell. Alright. I don't want to embarrass you and stuff like that.
You wanted out to take it?
Okay.
Oh, just leave it here? She said just leave it here. Well, call me. I can take you.
You say your uncle, right?
You got my number, right? I got it right here.
Is that your uncle's house?
My grandmother. They might let me out.
Yeah, but also you gotta realize they might be, if you don't know that, all right, so call me. Easy.
Charlie Alpha Oscar, 22 Alpha 8.
What's up, bro? You been alright, man?
That's a chill cop, man.
You alright?
Cool.
You'll be alright. Huh? Tomorrow?
Volkswagen T1.
I doubt you'll be in that how long, you know?
Yeah.
I highly doubt it.
Just hurry up in here.
I know everybody being nosy and stuff, you see that? That's when everybody want to walk their dogs and come outside. And... Listen, just learn from this mistake, alright?
Nico, I still here?
You're still here? Y'all can't put in the chance program? That's good right there. Y'all can't put in the chance program?
I don't know.
That's what he said. He said he's gonna work something.
Okay. We'll just check your pockets, alright?
I'm not going to terminate you.
I got it. What's the
I'm going to do whatever.
Where?
this is a phone number. Just a phone.
Okay.
Alright, I'll see you.
All right.
Oh, let me move my shirt.
The employee was charged with felony grand theft and got 2 years of probation.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.